and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is an exciting video because we are doing this look, you guys, finally a makeup tutorial on my channel. I had to actually re-record this video because of the lighting. It didn't look right, and of course I want to put some quality content out for you guys instead of just kind of whatever. So with that being said, I re-recorded it, I redid it for you guys. I hope I did it justice for you guys and you guys recreate this look and let your girl know. So without further ado, let's get in this video, and it's mostly a voiceover from the old footage, so it's kind of in there anyways, whatever. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Leslie Nicole. I do weekly videos for you guys, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you're notified about your girl, Leslie Nicole. Anyways, let's go. All right, guys, so to start this look, I am refilming this because the quality was just, I don't think you could tell what I was blending or what I was doing. So we're gonna fix that. We're gonna start all over. So what I'm gonna do, I just wanted to sit down, and I actually made it so I am able to film. I hope this lighting is okay. I haven't like sat down like with stuff. So it's a little bit new for me, but anyways, I really wanted to recreate my TikTok video that I did. It was this one. Let me just quickly show you. And I remember, sorry, swear word. I remember when I posted this, all you guys really wanted to know what I did. So I'm gonna recreate it for you guys. Okay, so to start my face, nothing really special. I'm gonna be using a VDL Luminous Primer, and then I'm gonna be using the Milk Hydro Glow. So I hope you guys can see this. It looks good, let your girl know. And then I'm going to mix foundations. That's what I love to do. I'm gonna be using the Hourglass foundation in Natural, and then I'm going to be using my tried and true Fenty Beauty 190 Pro Filter foundation, and I'm going to put that on, and then I'm going to do my brows, and then I'm concealing with this bad boy. It's Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, which is an old goodie from the drugstore, and then I will be right back. I just did my brows. I actually like to contour my face first, so I am actually using the Fenty bronzer in Island Tang, and I just like to use a big fluffy brush, and then I just kind of put a little bit on, tap away the excess, and then just kind of like put it on, just like dabbing it on and just making it kind of blend a little bit. Like nothing too, like that looks really harsh, but it's really not. Because once you get the blush and stuff, so I like to bronze my face because I don't like to look dead. And then the neck, I just do a lot on the chin here, and then I bring it down, like just kind of get it all around you to make sure you get everywhere, because if you don't, it's just gonna look, you know, especially because I'm tanned, right? And then I like to take a little bit of a smaller brush, and then I like to take a little bit and just do my nose. So I like to contour my nose a little bit. Just kind of take a just dab it a little bit, and then again, you don't need this stuff. You just need something similar. As long as you can find something inexpensive. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette. I know it's, I know. But as long as you have like a pinky or kind of peachy color, you just take a little bit and then you just put it on the cheek to kind of make it just a little bit. And then you're just taking a highlighter, any highlighter of your choice. I'm just using Champagne Pop because that's my favorite. Those cheekbones, yo. So you're gonna be using these OG palettes. So I'm using the Tartelette in Bloom and the Tartelette, which is the purple palette. We're excited because it was these darker shades. Smarty Pants from the palette, which is this color right here. And I'm just gonna be taking that on a fluffy brush. So just any fluffy brush, and you're just putting it all over into the crease. I am going to be taking from the purple palette, not the same brush. I mean, you could, but then you're mixing colors. And Force of Nature, I don't do tutorials because I don't know, I don't have patience, I feel. Force of Nature and Wonder, I'm gonna be mixing those two. And then you're gonna be putting that into the crease as well. So that's gonna darken it up a little bit. Okay, so we're just gonna go back with the first brush and fluff it all around. Make sure it's kind of dark, and you want to make it like big. You don't want to make it just like in there. Like I like to bring it up all the way up here. I like to make sure that that color is deposited correctly. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take where the color, where this is like my favorite part, because I feel like with makeup, you don't need to do layers and layers and layers. I just feel like if you know a look, keep it. So this is from Makeup Geek. I'm going to be using my favorite color from her. It's a foiled shadow. It's in the called Starry Eyed. You don't need to get this color, but as long as you get something similar, it's super gorgeous. And you literally put it on with your finger. And so this is where you put it all over the lid like that. It's like so gorgeous. And like, I love it because it honestly works with like heat. And I love it. And then, you know, I mean, you could take a brush, but I just feel like your finger just works better. Then you don't have to waste another brush. But do you see what I'm saying? Like it just, oh, it's so pretty. And then you just go back in with the first brush. So once we do that, we're gonna be taking the best color in the whole palette. We're gonna be taking Best Brand. So we're gonna take in that another brush. And this is strictly going to be going on the outer corner. So you wanna pack it on slowly. Kind of don't wanna do too much. Yeah, makeup's not super difficult, but as long as you kind of get the, like just in that corner sort of thing. And then I like to take like the tip part and then I just like to go underneath here, putting it, you can take like a smaller brush, like a packing brush, like more like a defined flat brush, and you can take it and you can like go in there if this is way too fluffy. But do you see how like that created a nice, looks like eyeliner, but it's not, you know? And then I'm just gonna take the color Bombshell, which is right beside it, beside Best Friend. And again, you don't need to get these palettes as long as you kind of have the color range in the situation. And then I like to take a little bit of Bombshell, so with the same brush, and then make it a bit darker. And then you just take your brush from the beginning and then you just blend so that it literally has no harsh lines, and you can see where it just kind of fuses in together. And that's what I like. That's the part that you want to make sure that you do is blend, blend, blend. That's pretty much the whole eye look. Like I don't really think. My favorite brow bone color is from the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. It's called Tempera. That is beyond my favorite. So once I'm done with my eyes, I will take this shade here as you kind of go around underneath the brow. And I just think it just adds like, look at that, you know? And then I like to take Vermeer, and then I like to take with the same brush, and I like to bring it into the, oh, and that's it. And then, honestly, you guys, it's like super easy. I like to go in with the eyeliner. You don't need anything fancy. This one is from Annabelle. It's super inexpensive and it does the job. So I like to coat the waterline. See how like, look at that already. Done. And then I like to just do a small line at the top. Like a small line. And then same with here. Not like a super crazy wing, but just enough to kind of have something on there. And then that's when I take, this is when I take a flat definer brush. So this one's like square and it's super thin. And then that's when I love doing this. This is my favorite technique, I guess. I just like to smudge it a little bit so it looks like it's like eyeshadow. I don't know, I just really like that. I love doing that, it's my favorite. Just take your eyelash curler, curl those lashes up to Jesus. And then I just take my mascara from Maybelline, which I love. And then we coat the lashes. We're just gonna finish off with the face. The eyes are pretty much done, except we're gonna put lashes on after. I don't remember what lashes I used in this video, but they're definitely fluffy. I got some new lashes from Rich Flower Lashes, and y'all, I'm pumped about these ones, so I can't wait to show you guys. This is the part where I actually like to spray my face. I like to set everything because everything's done. Again, it's kind of like your preference. I use the Morphe setting spray, which is my favorite. I love it. And then I like to take my beauty blender, which I did, and I just like to press it so it stays on. And then we're gonna go with the lashes, which I said. So my favorite are these lashes. They're from Rich Flower Lashes, you guys. If you use Leslie 10, you save 10%. And they are in the style Camellia. I'm actually gonna be trying a new lash liner glue. I've never heard of this. It's called Lashly Lash Liner. Waterproof, quick application, fast drying. I've already cut my lashes. Make sure you guys, if you guys wanna see a lash tutorial, let me know. This is really interesting. Like I was expecting it to be like glue, but it's, you put it on your eye first, and then you put a little bit on the lash. I'm kind of a House of Lashes kind of girl. But make sure you guys use tweezers to put these on because you don't want to use your hands. You pluck your eyebrows or you pluck something, you gotta get used to these things. So anyways, look at my face, you guys. Look at my face. Okay, we're ready to go. Nowhere. Just kidding. The star of the show is MAC Selena. I know it's called Big Bertha. This is the star of the show. I don't really usually line my lips, but I'm going to line my lips just for this video. I'm actually going to be lining them. Maybe Morphe Backseat Love. That's the finished look, you guys. That is it. That is done. I'm gonna take you upstairs to show you guys what it looks like. And that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below, will you guys recreate tutorial? Because I haven't done one in a while. Maybe I'm a little rusty. Let your girl know. But that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss a beat when I upload. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!